Hello again, dear 8th students. Now we will continue with page 7, exercise D and F. If you remember reading text, it was about ancestors and family history. Now, concerning section D, they ask you to read and to decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. So let's read. Sentence number 1. We look the way we do because of genes in our DNA. True. Why? Because it is mentioned in paragraph 1. DNA contains genes that make each person in the world different. Sentence number 2. A DNA test can show where in the world our ancestors lived. Also true. It is mentioned in paragraph number 1 that scientists can test your DNA to find out which part of the world your ancestors were from. Great. Sentence 3. You can find out the number of relatives you have in DNA. Okay, this is false. Why? Because the DNA contains genes that make each person different. 4. Genealogy is the history of our past and present family members. Of course, false. Why? Because here in word focus it is mentioned that genealogy, the study of family history. 5. Relatives who are alive could have information about the ancestors. Of course, true. Especially the great-grandparents have lots of information as it is mentioned in paragraph number 3. Okay, let's move to sentence number 6. A family tree shows how you are related to other people in your family. Also true. Because from the family tree you can see how everyone is related. 7. A detective can help you to find information about your family. Of course, true. Why? Because we mentioned that the detective, someone tries to find new information. Okay, sentence number 8. It is possible to buy old newspapers at some libraries. True, because many people start searching at library. So, true. 9. Public records tell you when people were born. Of course, true. Yes, because they have information about birth certificates. Also, it is mentioned in paragraph number 4. Okay. And the last one, sentence number 10, the text says that websites can help you find information about your ancestors. Yes. In paragraph number 4, it is mentioned in paragraph number 4. Okay, so this is, please write the answers in your book. write it and don't forget to write it. So let's write it for you. Sentence number 1, true. 2, true. 3, false. 4, false. 5, true. 6, true. 7, true. 8, true. 9, also true. And 10, true. Okay. Now let's go to exercise F. This is vocabulary. So let's read and underline the correct answer. Find the underlined words in the text and think about what they mean. Then circle the correct meanings below. Number 1, take after, to follow somebody or to be like somebody. The answer is to be like somebody. 2, look like, to have a similar appearance or to see things you enjoy. The answer is to have similar appearance. Pass down, transfer to, or respect the next generation. The answer is transfer to the next generation. So transfer to next generation. Okay. 4, relatives mean family member or close friend. Of course, family member. Find out, to take outside or to discover or learn. The answer is to discover or learn. The last one, look for, the to be similar to or to try to find. The answer is to try to find. Please write everything in your book. Let's now underline it together. Underline with me. Take after. The answer is, or it is mean to be like somebody. Look like, to have a similar appearance. Pass down, transfer to next generation. Relative, family member. Find out, to discover or to learn. Look for, to try to find. Okay, this is our lesson today. Please, my lovely students, don't forget to write everything in your book and in your notebooks. Thank you very much.